Howdy, folks. I haven't posted forever because my life fell apart and then I wasn't building stuff. But now I'm starting to get my life back together and I'm starting to build stuff again. So I have a very important question. Okay, I have here the Irwin record number 4 plane, and it's the only plane that I've ever had, and it's the only plane because it was like 35 bucks. Okay, so and then I've been using a cheap whetstone to sharpen the iron with, and I have mixed results with it. Like I've planed these boards, and they're okay, good enough. They're a lot better than they were, so that's good. But very mixed results. So should I invest in a new plane? Or should I invest in better sharpening stuff and really hone my technique on a cheap plane? Or should I just upgrade to a better plane and go from there? What do you suggest?